Welcome to Norfolk Cars, where we've just taken in this 2013 63 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium with the 1 litre Ecoboost petrol engine. So as you can see, the car's finished in the metallic bronze. This engine qualifies for the £25 a year road tax. The titanium comes with a nice level of specification, so it's got the LED headlights, front fog lights, front parking sensors. It's got the chrome grille, alloy wheels. It's got the keyless entry, comfort access, electric windows all round, electric wing mirrors with power fold function. It comes with auto lights, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, telephone and audio controls. It's covered just over 97,000 miles. It's got the Sony audio with digital radio, reversing camera, Bluetooth telephone connectivity, climate control, heated front screen, heated seats. It's got the front centre armrest, and it has the half leather style seats. Slight bit of wear to the driver's bolster, but not much, so very good condition for its age and mileage. And as you can see from the images, it's a clean car inside and out. It's got ISOFIX points in the rear. Overall, a very clean car. Alloy wheels, a few of them got tiny marks, but nothing major. You can see the rear bumper's in good order, and you can see the rear parking sensors on there. Boot, all clean and tidy. It's got the split rear seat. Toolkit, all present. Parcel shelf present. It's got the chrome grab handle, and you can see the reversing camera there. Darkened rear glass too. Tyres on the car all good. There's a pair on 7mm and a pair on 6mm, so loads of life remaining in the tyres. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox. Car's just had new front brake pads as part of the used car check, along with a fresh service, and the car had a timing chain service carried out in 2024. Comes with an MOT that runs through until July 27 with no advisories. If you click on the link above, you can visit our website where you can create your own finance quote and apply online today. You can see here the service receipts. There's one there for the timing chain. Owner's manuals all present. And a fully stamped up service book. And you can see the final service in there just carried out by ourselves. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for latest stock updates or visit our website for further information on this vehicle.